Hey, we're Zoom. You probably know us for our meetings. Here's a few things you might not know. You can transform your home office into a personal collaboration studio with Zoom for Home. Need room for more? Scale up to 50,000 people with our video webinar platform. That's a lot of people. Want to send a quick chat or share a doc with a colleague? We've got you covered there too. Want to integrate video communications into your workflow? There are over 1,000 apps in the Zoom app marketplace. If you need to make a phone call, Zoom Phone can connect you worldwide to more than 40 countries. And when you're ready to share your content with the world, engage new audiences via our virtual event platform today. Zoom helps you express ideas, connect to others, and build toward a future limited only by your imagination. Zoom for you.